Hey guys and gals, welcome to Mr. Know-It-All. We are back again. I've got a really cool tool I want to share with you. It is a plastic welder, and it comes with a lot of little pieces and parts, but it's amazing. I've got these two lids off a couple of jugs that my wife wanted welded together, and she was wondering if it could be done, and I'm going to show you right now that it can be done. And it is fast, and I can't tell you how many things. It's amazing how many broken pieces of plastic you have and cracked plastic. How many of those you have that you could have fixed and you threw away. Now you can fix them. When I get done with this welding of these two caps, they will be as one. This is a fantastic tool. And like I said, it comes with a whole bunch of pieces and parts, screen, all kinds of stuff. You can fix a cracked bumper. You can fix pretty much any plastic out there. You'll know if the plastic cannot be welded if it burns through really quick. And what I'm doing right now is I welded over it to keep it together. Now I'm going down the seam on the edge of the where the two lids join together with the edge of the solder tool. And once I do that, then I'll take that plastic that I brought up from doing that and melted the seam together. Now I'm flattening it out. And I'll just keep going over it until I get it where I want. But literally, you could take some 400 grit sandpaper, somewhere in that range, and sand it down nice and smooth. Yo, Julio, tell everybody where all the tools are located, my friend.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción del video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Julio, Cesar, Chavez, Rodriguez, Jorge Johnson, Thompson. So what she wanted this welded together for, now I find out, was she wants me to make it so she can hold her recipe cards while she's cooking instead of laying on the table or on the cutting board. And that thing is solid. Look at that. And I mean, you can drop it. It's not coming apart. So I'm going to take a couple of the welding rods that they give you with this kit, and I'm just going to plastic weld them right to the top of the lid. And it's funny how fast plastic dries. It dries really fast and gets hard pretty quickly. Now I want to close it up on top a little bit so it's a little tighter. So I'll weld up here at the top along the side just a little and bend it out just a little bit, and that'll close it up at the top so it holds the card perfectly. But you could literally sand this thing down, paint it up, probably sell it for $99.95. I'm not kidding. I'm just joking. So I'm going to smooth it out a little bit. But very rarely do you get a good tool, and this thing is good. I'm going to put my name on it. You can fix just about anything that's plastic. So as you can see, right now, it works perfect. It'll hold her recipe cards up for her, and she can cook away. Mr. Know-It-All out.